Hey guys, this is the brand new Honor 500 Pro that just launched, and this horizontal camera module is really quite interesting, isn't it? So today we're going to take it apart right away to get a first look at what this camera module truly looks like on the inside. Alright then, let's begin. As always, onto the heating pad, power off, then onto the heating pad again.
Alright, let's open it. Here's the Honor 500 Pros inside. The back cover is glass, slightly thicker than the Magic 8s. In the middle, there's a strip of buffer foam showing Honor's strict assembly. The camera frame is screw mounted, needing to be secured. It seems future Honor phones won't have copper midlines, replaced by these flat small flex cables, still very secure. The Magic 8 is black, but the Honor 500 Pro is yellow. The three lenses are horizontally arranged in a row. This blue light lens, we still need to protect it, ensuring that when it's put back together, it looks just like it was never opened. Alright, let's keep disassembling, remove all the screws. This part is quite simple, there should only be three types of screws. Above is the wireless charging coil, and below there's a large graphene thermal pad covering quite a substantial area. Once you remove the motherboard cover, it's obvious it's Honor's most favorite and commonly used single-cell multi-tap battery. This battery has a typical capacity of 8000 mAh, rated at 7800 mAh. It's made by Dongguan ATL technology. The motherboard still uses a single layer design. Let's peel off all the protective films to check its hard drive and memory. Alright, let's take a look through the microscope. The upper part is its memory, which is from Micron. The green part below is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. You can also see that it has encapsulation, transparent encapsulation. Its hard drive is located quite a distance from the CPU. This should be a Toshiba hard drive, and it's the 1TB version. Alright, let's continue to examine the entire motherboard's craftsmanship under the microscope. It's still incredibly precise. All the areas that needed strengthening have been reinforced, and every part requiring additional support has been addressed. The PCB board itself comes from a major manufacturer, specifically the well-known company Huatong. Reapply thermal paste, then perfectly restore the motherboard and reassemble it. Alright, let's continue disassembling and take a look at its lower half. From a position of these flex cables, it's clear the Honor 500 Pro uses an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor. The vibration motor isn't a rotor type, but a Z-axis linear motor. To accommodate the large battery, this small board is quite narrow. Let's examine its build quality. And the motherboard above, they are both quite intricate. The charging port has a corresponding waterproof rubber seal. The speaker openings also have corresponding waterproof rubber seals. The Honor 500 Pro's upper and lower speakers are not the same size. The main speaker at the bottom is slightly larger than the earpiece style speaker at the top. It's a bit bigger. Finally, let's take a look at its camera. This is Honor and Samsung's jointly tuned 200 megapixel main camera with a 1x1.4 inch large sensor. It features Honor's self-developed SOIS anti-shake solution, which is very powerful. The Pro version's main camera stabilization reaches SciPA 5.0 level. This is its telephoto lens, which also supports optical image stabilization. The slightly smaller one is a wide-angle lens, and it lacks optical stabilization. This is the front camera. It looks quite big, but the selfie experience is actually good. Let's continue prying this battery out to find out its supplier. Now, I really advise everyone not to imitate this. This battery, obviously, isn't designed for you to just take apart yourself. There's no easy pull tab. Don't be fooled by how easily I'm prying it. If you try, you could easily mess things up. Please do not imitate. Please do not imitate. If this battery is still powerful, it's truly dangerous. In short, you need to be bold but also pay attention to details. You must have a good grasp of the situation. One wrong move and things could just blow up, so you still need to be very careful. This battery is still from the familiar manufacturer ATL. Yeah, now seeing this, everyone has realized the Honor 500 Pro's battery compartment actually has extra space. This battery could be even smarter. Its small board on top is placed horizontally, not vertically like the Honor Magic 8. If placed vertically, the battery could reach around 8200 mAh. Once the two ribbon cables are peeled back, you'll see the rear also has a VC vapor chamber. Its size should be slightly smaller than the Magic 8's caliper. Clearly, let's grab the caliper to check this battery's dimensions. The thickness of this battery is about 5.5 millimeters. Its width is roughly 66 to 67 millimeters, including the small battery board. The length is around 90 millimeters. If you don't count the small board, just the cell itself, it's about 86 millimeters. Don't be fooled. Disassembling and reassembling usually seems quick, but there are actually many details involved. For example, if you want to remove this battery and put it back, you must flatten it.
or you can't put it back. It will stick up.
Okay, finally, let's weigh it again. With the frame, screen, and flex cable, it's 63 grams. The battery's weight is around 86 to 87 grams. Alright everyone, this initial hardware teardown of the Honor 500 Pro concludes here. Let's put it back together now. This generation of the Honor 500, whether it's the hardware or the build quality or some new system features or new imaging features, it's all very much worth purchasing. It's truly impressive.
It's so deep blue, it can't get any deeper.
I really don't want to be that kid who just stands by when others are bullied.
Some people's wounds are very deep. They just need time to heal. They